Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fill out the Italy visa application form online in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser and type Italy visa application online in the search bar. Now click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the official Italy visa application website. Once you're on the page, scroll down and select your nationality from the drop down list. Then choose your country of residence, the duration of your stay, and the purpose of your visit. For example, tourism, work, or study. After entering those details, click on Go to Answer to proceed. Next, click the arrow icon to move to the next section. Under the Where to Play for a visa section, scroll down and locate the information relevant to your specific location. Now click on View to access the download the visa application form. Once downloaded, open the form and begin filling in all the required fields. You'll need to provide your personal details, traveling details, and other relevant information. Make sure all the information is accurate and double check everything before submitting or printing the form. And that is it. You're now ready for the next step in your visa application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech savvy tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Italy visa.